Hey everybody, it's your boy Jason Davis, and this is System X Revive Plastic Restoration. So System X Revive will last 2 years or longer and keep these plastics looking as if they are armoralled all the time. The only difference is these are not armoralled. This is ceramic coating, so these plastics are now sealed. And you can see this rear bumper is severely faded. Watch what the System X Revive does to it. Boom! All fresh. Now that just saved the customer a ton of money. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below for more cool videos.